Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be drawing another turkey, but instead of writing a sentence, we're going to be doing some math today with our turkeys. And we're going to be looking at partners of 10. You're going to need a paper, crayons, something to draw with, and you can use construction paper. I cut out about 9 or 10 yellow feathers and 9 or 10 red feathers, or you can just draw in some feathers to show your partners of 10. Let's get started. To draw our turkey, we're going to find about the middle of the paper, and I'm holding this paper the long way instead of the tall way like I did the last time. And we're going to start about at the top of the paper, and I want you to draw a circle. Next, you're going to make a wide U shape, and I say wide because the bottom is going to be wider than the top. You start at the bottom of your circle, towards the left, curve down and around, and go back up to the circle again. Underneath that wide U, you're going to make 2 short lines next to each other on the left and 2 short lines next to each other on the right. You're going to add upside down V's to the bottom and lines in the middle on both. Next, you're going to come inside of that wide bottom U, and you're going to make a curved line down. So I'm going to start at the top where I started and curve a line down, go right to the other side where I ended, and curve a line out and down. Inside those 2 shapes you just made, you're going to do some wavy lines, or actually they're going to be smile lines. A lot of short smile lines that go from one end to the other. And you're going to repeat this pattern going all the way down both wings. Really short smiles that go from one side to the next. Don't forget to do them on the other side. Next, you're going to come inside the circle and you're going to make a letter V towards the bottom. You're going to connect it at the top to make a triangle. And right next to that triangle, you're going to draw 2 circles that are connected. 1 circle, and here's our second circle. Right above it, you're going to make 2 circles or ovals for eyes, and draw the circles inside that you darken in for eyeballs. Next, we're going to add some wings. Now, if you have some construction paper, I would recommend cutting some wings that are about the same size in 2 different colors. If you don't have any construction paper, you're going to draw wings, and they're going to be large, thin rainbow hoops or rainbow shapes. You're going to draw 5 on each side of the body because remember I told you we are working on partners of 10. So I'm going to start at the circle, come up, make that rainbow shape that's thin that comes down. There's 1. Here's 2. Another rainbow thin shape. Here's 3. Thin rainbow shape. That's 4. And a thin rainbow shape is 5. You're going to do the same thing on this side with those thin rainbow shapes. Start where the circle meets that wide mouth U. Come out and make that thin rainbow. There's 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. Another rainbow thin shape. That's 4. And that's 5. So now we've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 turkey feathers all together. But let's color in our picture now. Now that I've colored in my turkey, we can work on building those partners of 10. Notice I didn't color in my turkey feathers yet, and I've actually got out my construction paper so that we can work on making those partners of 10. When I say partners of 10, I'm talking about the combination of numbers between 0 and 10 that help us make the number 10. So I have my feathers here, and I'm going to count some of them out for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I counted out 9 yellow feathers, but remember, I want 10. How many red feathers would I need to add to make 10? I would need 1, because 9 and 1 make 10. And you can count them all to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What if I only had 8 yellow feathers? How many red feathers would I need to make 10? You can count my outline and see what's left. I would need 2 more feathers. And that is because 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2 make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 yellow feathers. I can use a counting on strategy to figure out how many red feathers I need to make 10. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now that I have 10, I can stop counting and I can go back and count my red feathers. 1, 2, 3. That shows you that 7 and 3 makes 10. We can do a lot of other combinations, and I'll show them to you quickly. Now I have 6 feathers, so I'm going to use that counting on strategy. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That means that 6 and 4 make 10. Or I could take all of the feathers on this side, which leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow feathers. And now I can add in my red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I now have 10 feathers, and this shows that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow feathers and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red feathers makes 10, which means that 5 and 5 makes 10. See what combinations you can come up with and practice building those partners of 10. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you did not have construction paper, you can always color in your feathers to show one partner of 10, or you can make several turkeys to show different combinations. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll be back with some more guided drawing and some fun lessons. See you next time. Bye!